Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a virtual machine. It is crucial to understand that Valorant's anti-cheat system, known as Vanguard, is designed to detect and block virtual environments. This means that attempting to run the game on a virtual machine will almost certainly lead to errors, prevent you from playing, or even result in a permanent account ban. Riot Games explicitly states that virtual machine gameplay is not supported. Vanguard's strict approach stems from its design to operate at a kernel level, which is the deepest part of your operating system. This allows it to effectively monitor for unauthorized software and maintain fair play for everyone. Virtual machines, by their very nature, can be manipulated to hide malicious programs or circumvent these critical security checks, making them a target for Vanguard's detection systems. While some players might explore advanced technical workarounds to try and mask their virtual machine environment from Vanguard, these methods are highly unreliable and come with significant risks. They often involve intricate modifications to system settings or virtual machine configurations. Even if successful temporarily, Riot Games actively updates its anti-cheat, and using such methods can lead to a permanent ban from the game, losing all your progress and purchases. The best and only officially supported way to enjoy Valorant is by playing it on a dedicated physical Windows computer. Make sure your system meets the game's minimum hardware requirements, which typically include a modern processor, at least 4 GB of RAM, and a capable graphics card. This setup ensures you have the most stable, secure, and enjoyable gaming experience without any anti-cheat conflicts or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.